Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today I got a new charger by the brand ACHORO or ACHORO. I don't know how you say it, but I'm gonna leave right here the logo. So, what's this charger about? Well, don't you guys hate when you lose your cable or you lose your charger and you have everything separately, or how you're gonna tangle that thing around your charger and store it? Well, ACHORO has a solution for you. So we got a dual USB charger with like a storing cable case. That's what's in this. You can see right here by the brand ACHORO. But it has a case. It has a clear case in this that we can just pull it out. Whoops. And you can see we have access to our USBs. Top one is 5 volts, 1.2 amps. Bottom one is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. And we can just connect our cable here and start using it. But what we have to do is push that away, and we got our cable. So it's a more compact design. Once we finish using the charger, so the cable doesn't get lost, or instead of just wrapping it around your charger, well, you got it right here, put it in the clear case, and you're ready to go. You can store it in your pants, on your backpack, or whatever you want, but everything is in one piece and it's compact. So it's like a charger, a case, cable, all in one, by the brand ACHORO. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description just in case you might want to buy one of these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.